Taking an example of collision or bounce here. So this was say India. So we have continental crust. Then from here, let this ocean start. So this is the oceanic crust. Continental crust extends into the ocean, for some time, maybe 2 kilometers, 3 kilometers into the ocean. Then oceanic crust, then this is subducting. So this went your China. So this is the subduction zone, and I was telling you. So these are the sediments. These are the sediments. So then I told you many things we discussed. Those who are not present, please take it down. We discussed about accretionary bridging. Why it is called a bridging? Accretionary bridging. Next we discussed what? Accretionary bridging. Then we discussed waves. Why it is called a wave? Then we discussed foreland and hinterland. Foreland and hinterland. Then we discussed arc. Where is arc? Arc will be here. Arc is here. So we discussed what is fore arc, what is back arc. These relations we have seen. Then we come back to a point, how this part will evolve. This part. This trench is moving now this way. This is trench. Trench is moving towards the foreland. This is foreland. This is hinterland. So these things, these things are being now shortened. These things are being shortened. How these are being shortened? Just like a bulldozer. Bulldozer is taking away the materials from its front, like this, scrapping off. It is scrapping off the materials from the subducting slab and dumping it in its front. So the height is increasing. So height is increasing. So it is developing a prism or a wave. This is what we have discussed. Like this, the material from here is going like this, dumping here. Gradually this will move, further like this, taking more and more material from its front. That is what we have discussed. Then I said how this building up is taking place. So now this will develop a mountain belt. From a ocean, it is going to develop a mountain belt. How the mountain belt is developing? So then I came back to a point, where I was telling you about just simply a thrust system. A thrust is developing like this, just like your subduction zone. This is the thrust, and you have sediments here. You have sediments here. Sediments. You can just think of V. Then say limestone, say sandstone, like this, you have series of. The whole strata may be repeated also, like this. So this part I am drawing, just to explain how the structures are built. In this ways, the ways is being developing here, or the prism is developing here, and gradually it is propagating towards the foreland. So what type of structures are building? How this is happening? So you might have observed the bulldozer, but if you observe it very carefully, all these things will develop there. Those sediments or the soil which are being scraped off by the bulldozer, they will also develop these structures. Same structures will develop there also. Then I said, let us discuss a little about the structural geology about this front or the foreland. Then we will come back to this part. So this is the situation now. So this is your hanging wall. This is your foot wall. And what type of structures will develop in it? Those structures are called fault related force. Fault related force. Okay, this part will now move over this. So this will develop force. That is why it is called fault related force. So these are three types. I told you, na? Fault, bend fault, then fault, propagation fault. Another thing also I have told you that detachment fault. There are three types of faults. So what is a fault bend fault? For developing a fault bend fault, you should have the thrust like this. That means this thrust should have a picture like this. So this is called a flat. This is called a ram. This is again a flat. So if you see this part, I just draw it. It is something like this, Let me remove. ऐसे ये क्या करेगा ऐसे instead of going that way it is coming like this. Then a fault bend fault will develop. Instead of a flat ram flat, then a fault bend fault will develop. If you have only flat with one ramp, fault propagation fault will develop. And if you have only flat, then this detachment fault will develop. Very easy to remember. कोई मर्जिंग करना जरूरत नहीं. One element, two element, three elements. One element, two element, three element. If these three are there, this fault will develop. Two are there, this fault will develop. If one is there, only one, this fault will develop. Understood, na? So let us start from here. See here how is this thing, You see, these are the footwall sediments or footwall beds. These are the hanging wall beds. Like this, So what will happen? This will be pushed up. This is your, the plate is coming from this side. It is pushing, So this part will rise up, go up. So if this part goes up, what type of structure it will develop? I am drawing here. ऐसा करके आप ऐसे कर देना, ऐसा. यहाँ से आप स्टार्ट करो, आप ऐसा करके ऐसा. Then again ले जाओ, ऐसे ले जाओ, ऐसे ले जाओ, ऐसे ले जाओ. एक दो तीन चार बेड है ना, ये ऊपर जाके यूं बैठेगा. Understood, na? So this will form an antiform. This will form an antiform here. Over this ram, ये राम है ना, ये राम. राम का ऊपर एक एंटीफॉर्म बैठेगा. इधर क्या होगा? एक सिंफॉर्म होगा. then इधर क्या होगा? धीरे धीरे जाके ये ऐसे हो के फिर यूं मिल जाएंगे, ऐसे मिल जाएंगे. ग्रेजुअली डाई आउट ऐसे स्ट्रक्चर बनेगा. So this will be a big antiform. Here will be symphyform. Here will be symphyform. So this is called a flat ram flat fold or a fault bend fold. This is fault bend fold. Fault bend fold. आप ड्रॉ कर पाएंगे ना इसको? इसके ऊपर आप फोल्ड दिखाना है. ये जो थ्रस्ट यहाँ तक आता है ना, यहाँ से आप चालू करना है ऐसे ऐसे करके. ऐसा यहाँ से चालू करो. So this is a fault bend fold. अब fault propagation fold में दो एलिमेंट हैं. This side flat is not there. तो आप क्या करेंगे? इसको लेके ये बेड को यहाँ से लाना, ऐसे लेना, ऐसे ले आना. अब देखो ड्रॉ जस्ट ड्रॉ इट. एक बेड को यहाँ से लाओ, लगे इसको उठाओ ऐसा. ये शिफ्ट हो रहा है ना, पहले तो ये बेड ऐसे जा रहा था, अब इसको पुश कर दिया तो ये ऐसे उठ जाएगा, ऐसे। ये पॉइंट को पकड़ना, ये बेड यहाँ से लाना, यहाँ से उठाना, ऐसा ऐसे, फिर नेक्स्ट ऐसे उठाना, ऐसे उठाना, ऐसे ऐसे। तो दिस इज ए सिंफॉर्म, ये एक एंटीफॉर्म इधर होगा, ये एक सिंफॉर्म ऐसे। These are two different things. So this is a fault propagation fold. In case of detachment क्या होगा? There is no ramp. तो इधर क्या होगा? ऐसा इसका ऊपर बेड आप यूं कर देना ऐसा। This is the detachment fold. They may give a figure, and identify what type of structure it is. So these are the ideal ends, one is fault band, fault propagation, detachment. There may be mixing up also, fault propagation little, then fault band folds. Those mixings are also there. You see what is the difference between these two? How will distinguish? आप ये राम देखना, ये राम इधर आप देखो, ये राम को बढ़ाओ, just extend the ramp overhead, ऐसे करो, this will end up in a see antiform में जाएगा, antiform closure में घुसेगा, ये देखो आप इसको बढ़ाओ, ये synformal closure में घुसता है, देखो antiform remains this side, ये देखो antiform closure में जाएगा इसको, because the flat is lying here, here there is no flat, so fault is up to this point only. So इसका antiform तो इस तरह एक तरफ रहेगा, one side there will be antiform. So this ramp को if you extend it, this will end up in a synform. Here if you extend the ramp, it will end up in a antiform. So this is the basic difference between a fault propagation fold, fault band fold. So these structures will be there. That is what I am telling. These structures will be there in this sequence. But one structure I will just show you for your understanding. You will understand these three parts, ना? अभी क्या करेंगे हम? I will just show you one thing, ऐसा. ऐसा एक स्ट्रक्चर बन गया, This is the structure. Let us take the fault band. ऐसा एक स्ट्रक्चर बन गया. So all those beds, we stand up ऐसा. So whatever was there here, they all came over it and deposited. Now what will happen next? यहाँ से आगे यहाँ बैठ गए. So see, all these beds ना, they are truncating here over this flat. ये flat का ऊपर all these beds are truncating, ऐसे करके जा रहे हैं. Could you follow this point? As a result, here friction is very high. Friction is very high. So this type of slip will not continue for long. It may go little extent, the whole thing will be pulled, like this. To some extent. But the resistance, these beds are directly touching here. The beds are directly touching the thrust. So there are a lot of resistance here. So when this resistance, becomes very high, this transportation will be less. Transportation, you are understanding, transportation will be less. But आप तो यहाँ से push हो रहा है, from this side pushing is going on, ना? Pushing is going on. So instead of further transporting the material, this will prepare to develop a new thrust. Another thrust will develop. ये thrust को यहाँ खत्म कर देंगे. This will not continue. So where the thrust will develop? This will develop on the correlate side. तो यहाँ आगे develop करेगा और यहाँ एक स्ट्रक्चर बन गया, फिर यहाँ एक करेगा. So what will happen? ऐसा. So these beds will climb up over it. Another things will develop. Suppose it is little far. Let us take little far. So again another structure will develop here. You see, another structure will develop here. So like this, number of such folds will develop. Then next fold will be developing here. So initially all these things were spread apart. Entire Tethys Ocean was having, spread apart. But now everything is coming closer. You see. Understood this part or not? Tell me. So a structure like this will result. Just like you are fitting the tiles. Suppose you have lot of books, spread over your. आपका कॉट का ऊपर इतना क्यों किताब पड़े हैं? So many books are lying on your cot, and you are pressing from this side. A whole cot is now spread with books. So how they are going to, like this? One book will climb. यहाँ से climb करना चालू करेगा. ये resistance कर रहा है. फिर क्या करेगा? ये किताब आके इधर पीछे रहेगा इधर. फिर ये उठ जाएगा. ये फिर क्या करेगा? ऐसे करेगा. ऐसे करेगा. So the whole cot will now compressed into a 4 books. So that is the certainty. So whole cot length of Tethys Ocean has been squeezed out into this wood. Follow this point now. So these structures like you will get this type of things. ऐसे एक मिलेगा आपको, फिर next ऐसे एक मिलेगा, फिर next ऐसे एक मिलेगा, next ऐसे एक मिलेगा. From where this is coming, you understand? Individually it is a book. Individually it is a book, So this is called a horse. H-O-R-S, horse. This is called a horse. If it is riding over the other. Individually it is called a horse. A lens-headed body, And both sides you have two thrust. ये एक thrust है, ये एक thrust. देखो, ये एक thrust है, ये suppose this is thrust. Then क्या होगा? ये thrust आया, ऐसा. Then this is the thing. This will have thrust. ये एक thrust. So between two thrusts, this is the horse. This is how. This is a book. This is a book. This is a book. Initially they are all spread apart. So entire Tethys Ocean sediments have been squeezed into narrow belt of 200 km. Initially जो 6000 km था, अभी 200 km हो गया है. Because of these reasons. Like this, number of such horses will lying, one ऐसे करके रहेंगे. So this is a younger horse. This is a little older horse. Little older horse. Older horse. Older horse. So as you go toward the propagating side, younger horses will be there. Younger horses you are understanding, na? Not with respect to the age of the rocks. Age of the rocks, nahi. When they are lifting up, climbing up. Initially this climbed up, then this, then this. So this will be 1, this will be 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 such horses. More the pushing is going on, more and more number of horses are being added in the propagating side, in the foreland side. You understand this part now? So ये एक horse है. So like this you will get a belt of horses. Initially it was a single bed, Now it has a belt of horses. What you are understanding now, I guess. Why they are called horse? So this is called a scuppern bed. This is called a scuppern bed. Scuppern bed means horse bounded by thrust. Horse bounded by thrust. Series of such horses, form a scuppern bed. So these are the folds, antiformal folds. Antiformal folds. तो ये आप कभी इसका मैप आल्प्स मैप देखेंगे या हिमालय का मैप देखेंगे, very easily they draw, ऐसे करके फर्स्ट दिखाएगा, ऐसे दिखा देंगे सब लोग, ऐसे दिखा देंगे आप. Scuppern belt consisting of so many horses. Even this scuppern belts may repeat, इसके ऊपर और एक scuppern belt है, ऐसा. ऐसा